Today's results are really encouraging. These assays are the second batch of assays that we've got from our very first drill program at the Evanston project. Evanston sits within the Marda Gold Project, which is about 150 k's north of Southern Cross in WA. And today's results include 7 metres at 3.5 grams, 9 at 1.3 grams per tonne, 5 at over 2 grams per tonne. Importantly, from our point of view, these are pretty good grades and they're also extremely shallow. So high grade shallow gold in Western Australia is what we were looking for, and we've found plenty of that at Evanston. One of the other factors we wanted to demonstrate from this drilling was a bit of scale, utilising the downhole EM as a targeting tool, as well as confirming that with the drill bit. We were demonstrating that the whole 1.6 kilometre trend at Evanston is mineralised, as well as seeing some really compelling down dip targets utilising that downhole EM. We've generated a bunch of downhole EM anomalies and EM plates that we're going to target with the next phase of drilling. So all in all, we've been able to define some really high grade shallow gold and develop a lot of scale at the Evanston project. And I think when we look back at the history of the project there hasn't been a drill program there in over 20 years. And it really confirms our belief that Evanston has the potential to host a significant ore body. The drilling that we've got planned that's set to commence at the end of November in only a couple of weeks is going to target those downhole EM anomalies. We know we've got some good grade and good widths of mineralisation that's still open at depth. Now we've seen confirmation of the continuation of that structure with the downhole EM. We're going to go out there and drill those targets, and I think utilising both the existing drill results as well as these new anomalies, we have a lot of confidence in the structure. Now we need to go and drill test it and see what the grade and widths are down dip. So this year we acquired the project, and since then we've drilled over 10,000 metres. We're about to commence another round of drilling up at Evanston. We've demonstrated that there is a lot of exploration potential still at the project, both at Marda Central and at Evanston, and a bunch of our other project areas as well, such as those high grade trends that we were able to define along workings that have been poorly explored in the past. All of that points towards further exploration upside and us working towards our maiden mineral resource. And the results to date are fed into that. That is advanced. We're working on it currently. And I think, there's plenty of good news flow for investors on the back end of this year as far as drill results, geophysics, and then looking a bit further beyond that is, resources and ongoing drill programs. So 2025 will be a big, busy year coming to an end and very strong into 2026.